Hey guys, welcome to my video today, and today we're going to be building the Metrolink Christmas look on a tram. These are the old trams with the new look. As you can see, there's a tiny difference. There's, yeah, you get the idea. But today we're going to be building this. So first you're going to get out your grey concrete and stone brick stairs. You're going to place them on the tracks. Build them 2 blocks away from any structure, so the wheels should be like this. 3 blocks away from any other structures, because we're going to have overhang blocks. Then you're going to take out your stone brick stairs and you're going to put them back to back like that. Take out your grey concrete again and just place them like that. Then you're going to place one there, so standing on the bogie, you're going to put it there on the left hand side. Then from right you should put one oak wood slab there. Then make a 2x2 of oak wood slabs, and then extend it out by 1 on each side apart from the back. Yeah, that's right. Now you can take out nether brick slab, place them there above that front oak wood slab. Then take out black stained glass pane, make a 2x2 of it above that. Then you can take out your yellow concrete. Place 2 there, 2 there, 2 in the middle, so far it should look like this from the top. And make an L shape of black stained glass towards that front 2x2. Then take out black concrete and put it in the place where we missed off in the L. And then you're going to take out your oak wood stairs. You're going to place them there above the L shape. You can take out your oak wood slabs again, put them above the 2x2. Take out yellow concrete, make a 2x2 for the roof, and that's pretty much the cab. Now you're going to take out your oak signs. Put them on the top of the 2x2, so there. Oh. Then you're going to take out yellow banners, place them on the down block of glass, like that. Take out light grey wool. Make 4 blocks of it like that. So it should be just at that last stone brick stairs. Then place 2 on top next to the L shape, so it should look like that. Now you're going to take out your black stained glass blocks, make a 2x3 on both sides. Now you can take out oak buttons. Can you be quiet, please? Then we're going to place them everywhere on the sofa existing, apart from the front cab, which is the yellow. We do have, I think we might have trains that are run by computers here in England, though I'm not too sure. Anyway, now you can take out your acacia wood slab, put it there, and make it 10 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat that on the other side. Then you're going to take out your stone brick slab and place them for the 4 blocks under the light grey wall. So far it should look like that. Then you're going to take out red concrete, go to the 2 end pieces, skip 2, add 1, skip 2, add 1. Repeat that on the other side. Then you're going to take out a block of quartz. Then you're going to put them in between the 1s, like that. Then you're going to take out your iron door, and you're going to place them like that. These are the tram doors. I can't actually colour the iron doors, which I wish I could. Minecraft developers, if you're watching this, can you make an update while you do that, please? Then take out red stained glass block. Then you're going to make a 2x2 of red stained glass, like that. Then a 2x4. Then you're going to take out your red concrete again. You can place them above the iron doors. So it should look like that so far. Then take out your acacia wood stairs. Put them all the way up to the start of the red concrete. So basically the first set of doors. Then you can take out your stone brick stairs and put them above this. So it should look like that now. Then you're going to take out grey concrete and fill in all of the roof. By the way, this is the older design of the trams. These are the older models, not the M5000s which they build and use today. This is the older. And you're going to take out stone bricks slab and basically just put it inside here until you reach the end of the carriage. Now you're going to make another bogey, so don't repeat the front one because you'll get it wrong. You're going to take grey concrete, place 2 there, then take out stone brick slab, put them there, grey concrete again, put them there so it should look like that. And now I'm going to take out stone bricks, and you're going to put them like this, but with a slab on top. So 3 stone bricks blocks with a slab on top. Then take out your red concrete, make 3 blocks of it, and build some like that. Take out your stone brick slab again and put them like that. Then 1, 2, 3 blocks of stone brick slab. No, sorry, stone bricks block with a slab on top. Then put slabs there. Then you can take out your acacia wood stairs. You're going to put them like that. Now we're going to build this bit, which is an advertisement bit. Like on Roblox, on the game trams, buses, trams, subway, and buses, trams, subway, Bathwick and Somerset. On that game it's a little advertising board and it says this tram is free to drive, hun, if it's one of these. But if it's an M5000 it costs 138 Robux, and the last 22 Robux will be credited to your account. So now you're going to basically just repeat this but rotate it. I believe it's 180 degrees, so it should be facing the other way. So I'll show you how to do that. Sorry, I'm not going to be actually doing it. Just take out your acacia wood slab and make it 10 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, wait, just 10. Repeat that on the other side. Then take out stone brick slab, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then take out your oak wood slabs. Place 2 of them, then 2 on the front, then 2 there. Place some there. Then you're going to put them there, like that. Then take out your nether brick slabs. And you're just going to place them there above the front again. And then take out your low concrete, just put them like that. Then take out a 2x2, make the L shape, make another one, yeah, so you get the idea. Take out your banners, put them there. Black concrete. There, that's where the wing mirrors would be, I believe. Yeah, I think so. So then you're going to put your oak signs right there. You can really type whatever you want in them. But then you're going to put your oak slabs there. Take out your oak wood stairs and put them above the L shape and stuff. Then put yellow concrete on the roof. Then until the other gangway, just fill the roof in. Like that. Then it should be 10 blocks of acacia wood stairs. I don't know why I said acacia wood. Acacia stairs for the rest of it. Then take out your stone brick stairs, place them there. Then put some stairs there. Then put your stone brick slabs like that. So it should look like that. Then if you heard that beep, it's just my mum setting my clock. I slept in my other bedroom, so basically my playroom. Then after let's add the doors in. 2 blocks from each end of the cabins. Sorry, right after the stone brick slab at the front. 2 from the end of the cabin at the back. Then you should have 4 blocks of space between these doors. Then do what you did at the front. Take out your red concrete to do that. Then take out your light grey wool. Make a 4 and add 2 on top. Make another 4, add 2 on top. So it should look like that so far. Take out block of quartz. Add them in the middle. Then take out your red stained glass and make the windows that we made at the front, basically. And now fill above the doors in with red concrete. Oh my gosh. So now you've done that, put one there, stone brick slab, sorry. Then right after that, create your next bogey, which is the same as at the other end this time. So back to back stone brick stairs with the grey concretes next to it. Now you're going to go back in and fill the rest in with stone brick slab. Stone brick slabs. And then that's pretty much interior done. Just take out black stained glass. Something like that. Oak buttons. All on the front. Who was it, Mum? Oh, okay, I thought it was my friend calling on me. I can't say his name, and you can't either because I'm on YouTube currently. So, yeah. That's pretty much it on how to build the Christmas... Oh, no, it's not. It's definitely not pretty much it. After the doors, just add a 2x3 of that. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to build the Manchester Christmas look on the trams. You can do this with the M5000s as well. M5000 is pretty much the same, only we have signs here. And then it's pretty much the same, and the nether brick slabs stairs. And it's pretty much the same other than that. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.